Hello and welcome to this episode of It's a Hack. My name is Daniel Lüdecke and today we're going to take a look at how we use an app to create collision bodies for the virtual measuring room. We do this so that we can still use the collision detection even when no CAD data is available. And for this, we take a look at the software. To gain access to the function, we first need to download the corresponding app from the software store. It's called Geometries and I have already downloaded it. Please note that the function will only be available the next time you start the Zeiss Optical 3D software, which is why we are now opening a new software instance. We open our empty VMR master, which corresponds to the real scanbox. Now we look at our measuring object and select the geometrical shape that matches our measuring object. Please note that not all dialogues are exactly the same. The dialogues for the box, the cylinder, the regular prism and the sphere all create bodies based on set parameters. In contrast, this is the free prism. Here the user must first create the corner points that define the prism, which is why I now create 4 corner points. Keep in mind, these are just supportive elements, they don't need a measuring principle. Once that's done, I can go back to the script and just choose Free Prism. With this button, I can add my selected 4 points to the dialog, and the software builds the prism around these 4 points. I can always preview my collision body to see how it would look. If I'm fine with the collision body, I can just hit Create and Close. Once created, the collision bodies are placed into the clipboard. Keep in mind that in the clipboard there is no collision detection, which is why I have to add my collision bodies to the fixture. Once that's done, I can enjoy full collision detection and can create measuring positions as I want them to. I hope I was able to provide a quick overview of the software function. Now, until next time, have a nice day.